first of all. I think the energy that you have brought into the session, and it's like the second core of my day, and I think I'm sure how my rest of the day is going to be so energetic. So thank you so very much. My question to you, Hani and Mahesh, is, how do you rate giving back to the society towards your happiness quotient?
Positive psychology, one of the main things that you learn in it is that happiness has levels, right? So the base level of happiness is getting into the pleasures of life. Now, the second level of happiness is when you start using your strengths. You do something challenging. For example, people who are sports, athletes, so they work on themselves, and that makes them happy because there's achievement over there. Now, the third level of happiness is what you are asking about, which is, how can I make a difference? When you make a difference, that makes you the happiest. So, for example, you look at lives of Mother Teresa, or you look at Mahatma Gandhi. Like, what were they thinking? Taking on these giant projects that were beyond anything else, even Nelson Mandela. So the thing is, when you do that, using your strengths, again, I'm not saying don't practice pleasures. You definitely need pleasure in your life. But the next level is, what are my strengths? How can I practice my strengths? And then if you can use your strengths towards humanity, that is the best thing in life.